In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote as PDF. By the end, you'll be able to turn any note, section, or even an entire notebook into a clean, shareable PDF that preserves your layout and formatting. Start by opening the OneNote app on your computer. These steps are for the desktop version of OneNote that has a File tab at the top. If your screen looks different and you don't see a File tab, you might be using a variant with a simplified interface. In that case, switch to the OneNote app that includes the full ribbon for the smoothest experience with exporting. With OneNote open, look to the top left and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can manage your notebook. From the sidebar, choose Export. Export is where OneNote lets you package your content into different file types. Next, decide exactly what you want to export under the Export Current section. You can export just the page you're on, the entire section that contains multiple pages, or the whole notebook. Pick the option that matches your goal. If you're sharing a single meeting note or a project page, exporting the current page keeps things simple. If you want a broader snapshot, a whole section or notebook makes sense, though those can produce larger files. Now choose the export format. Select PDF as the format so your content is saved in a widely compatible, non-editable document that's easy to view on any device. PDF is ideal for preserving your OneNote formatting, images, and handwritten annotations. Once PDF is selected, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose where to save the file and what to name it. Pick a clear, descriptive file name, choose a familiar folder, and confirm. OneNote will create the PDF using the scope and settings you chose. A few quick tips to get the best results. If your page is very long or contains wide elements, OneNote may split it across multiple PDF pages based on your default paper size. To reduce awkward page breaks, consider adjusting page width or orientation in OneNote before exporting. If you're exporting a very large section or notebook and the file feels heavy, try exporting individual pages or sections to keep file size manageable. Also note that interactive elements like checkboxes or embedded media become static in the PDF. That's it. Open the saved file from your chosen folder to review the output and share it confidently, knowing your formatting is preserved. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to save OneNote as a PDF.